Hey everybody, it's Thursday, September 25th, 2025. It's my parents' 49th anniversary today, and as a result, I spent the lunch with them and went out for lunch. Didn't really do any trading today, and it's just as well because the whole market kind of slid today. Might have been an opportunity to buy stuff, but I still think things are kind of overvalued right now for the most part. So I didn't do anything. It was another day of not doing anything. My portfolio shed about 1.9% of its value today, and that was a little hard to watch, but better to not watch it and just, carry on with the day. I don't trade every day, as you might have noticed. I'm just not that kind of investor. And I guess it just works out that trading every day is not my sort of thing, and it just worked out okay. Unfortunately, I'm down like a lot of money today, about $3,000. So I would have liked it not to have worked out that way, but what are you gonna do? I'm just being patient and letting things go, and for the most part it's up and to the right, so I keep that long-term perspective in mind, and don't sweat the small stuff, and it's all small stuff, as they say. So yeah, it was a happy anniversary to my parents, and I'm at $155,417 today, and that's all right. It's more than I had this time last year. I haven't added that much money to my account this year, like in new cash, so I've done all right. Not going to complain, and yeah, I think it was December of 2024 that I was sitting at about $105,000. So $50,000 in a year isn't bad. It's one thing to bear in mind and keep perspective. So yeah, I'm down $3,000 right now, but whatever. It doesn't really matter. Anyways, hope you had a good trading session, and I think it was kind of exciting hearing about the quantum leap that HSBC Bank and IBM made today with their investing or trading of bonds benefiting from quantum computing. So I think it's just a matter of time before we see quantum computers everywhere in the financial realm. Interesting stuff. I guess the next thing is quantum security, and I'm waiting for QNC's random number generator to take hold and take off. But we'll see what happens. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you had a good trading session, and I will talk to you again tomorrow. Have a good one.